Welcome back to our production masterclass. This is lesson 14 of part 1. Our focus is on the FL Studio piano roll. The FL Studio piano roll is like the MIDI editor of Pro Tools. It is a very vital window since you can make delicate changes to your MIDI data here. Now this is the channel rack, okay? This is the playlist. So let's take off our playlist for now. Okay, so we have the channel rack, and this is the piano roll. So what we can do is two ways. These are two ways. There are so many ways you can work on the piano roll. So let's use two. Now this is our kick down. We could right click this and open in piano roll. Now this is what we had. Those are the kicks. So we could actually come in using the piano roll. We could keep the kick, keep it directly where we want it to be, or delete it. So we could do this. The piano roll offers us the ability. Now, if you come down, we can reduce the velocity here of each of the samples, each of the hits, the way we want. By increasing or reducing the velocity, we reduce the volume or the attack of any of the hits. Now, these ones that are unmarked here are the snares. So if we close the the piano roll again, and open, this is to show that it was done on the piano roll. If we go to the snare and do it to the snare as well, these are the snares now that are highlighted, and look at these are the kicks earlier that we worked on. So they are no more highlighted. So we can now work on our snare. Okay. So those are two ways. Now the second way we can work on the piano roll is let's come to our browser, packs, and then instruments. Let's check up keyboard. There's a root here or a grand piano. Okay, we have a grand piano, so we can drag our grand piano to the channel rack. Okay, drag it to the channels rack, and let's close this window. So we now open it in piano roll. So what we could do here now is that we could now start writing our chords. So let's say this is our left hand chord, so we could do our one chord. So we could place our chords the way we want them. Okay, you can write specific chords. This is a C2, so we could add C sharp D, C sharp D, E flat E. So we can do an E chord there, and then we can do a G. So if this is E, this is F sharp, then this is our G. So that when we play, okay, so again we can touch the velocity of each of the chords. So this is how you work on the piano roll. Without a MIDI piano, you can actually write your chords using the piano roll, and it could be tedious, but then it could solve the problem for you. You could write your chords the way you want to at any point. At any point where you want them. Okay, and be very specific. This is me just doing random notes. Okay. So in our next class, we are going to focus on the mix window.